This video is how to produce the figure that you see on the screen, figure P3-16, which is a inch style using the English system. We begin with new drawing. Again, standard IPT. Alright, and first thing we're going to do is create the base. So I'm going to start sketch, and I'm going to select the work plane to represent the top view of things. Alright, and I'm going to begin with the rectangle center option. Choose the center point and produce the rectangle. For this side, it's going to be 3.50. Hit the tab button to the top. This one will be 2.38. Alright, and then I'll press enter to lock that part of the shape in. Okay, from there it'll be a green check, and so here's my shape. Alright, so next will be to extrude, and what I want to do is do it both directions, making it symmetric, and my extrusion will be 2.50. Hit OK. Alright, so we should have pretty much a block shape. Now from the top view, I'm going to create a new sketch. This will be the profile of how the shape is at the top. So I want to begin with a simple line, start from this corner over, and that distance is 1.75. Alright, from there I'm going to hit the escape key. I'm going back to my line command, and I'm going to go back to that first original corner point and come down at 1.25. At this location, I'm going to keep going another 1 unit, and then all the way to the top. From here, I'm going to go from the top corner to the right 0.50, and I'm going to work my angle all the way down to the end. Alright, so that kind of gives us that angle there. From here, I'm going to draw a line across to this line, and I'm going to do the same from this point over. At this time, I'm going to delete this dimension and this line here so that it all turns green. Then I'm also delete this line segment here in the middle. Next will be to trim this line out right here in the middle. So I'm going to trim, and I'm going to get rid of that. Alright, I'm going to remove some additional lines that I did in the beginning. So along with the line, you'll delete the dimension. Delete this here as well as that and that. Alright, I'm going to go back to my line command and continue the rest of the shape here. So I'm going to work my way all the way around to this location. I'm going to delete this yellow line so we can all see what's going on here, as well as this purple line. So now you can see I have all green, and then I need to finish it out. I deleted this line, I guess this line by accident, so I'm going to put it back so I have the green line there. I'm going to delete this yellow line so you can see everything. So there it is, the profile of the cutout component. So I'm going to hit the green check on this, and next I'm going to establish some clicking locations for this cut. So on this surface here, I'm going to start a new sketch, and on this surface I'm going to begin with a line that is 0.63 going up. I'm going to do the same on this opposite side, 0.63, so in an upward direction. Alright, to establish that, I'm going to hit the green check to finish that sketch. I'm going to rotate the box around to this side and start a new sketch. And here I'm going to do one line that goes up 1.63 and hit enter. And at that point, I'm going to go ahead and hit escape to finish the line command and green check on that part. So these 3 points are going to be my points for my work plane. Alright, these are just temporary lines. We're going to assume that the slope in this picture is one continuous slope and it's not in a oblique style. So here I'm going to choose the 3-point option and use the top of my lines as my point location. So the first one will be here, my second one is here, and the third will be here. Alright, so that creates my work plane for my cut. So next, I will actually go to the extrude button. I'm going to choose the cut option, and I'm going to change the distance from distance to 2. Alright, my 2 location will be the work plane. Okay, so my cut will go straight down to the work plane, and at that time I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so there's my shape with the visible work plane and the visible sketches. And to remove all these, you just come to the right side where your browser is, right click on each option that's colored, and you will turn off the visibility for each of the sketches there. Alright, here is a complete shape of figure P3-16.